Wow, my Picassos! Today we're going to draw something extra special, the lovely Peppa Pig and her cute brother George. And guess what? They're riding their scooters! How exciting is that? But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep having lots of fun together on this channel. Let's begin with Peppa's face. Start with an oval and extend it to make her complete piggy face. Now, let's draw two round eyes with tiny dots inside. Whoop. Next, draw her gorgeous dress. Now draw her thin arms and tiny hands. And a big laughing mouth. Wow, Peppa looks so happy. But, why is she laughing? We'll find out soon. I think she's flying like a bird. And wait, safety first. Let's get Peppa her helmet. Oh, don't forget tiny Peppa ears. Let's draw her legs and little black shoes. Add her curly piggy tail too. Squiggle, squiggle. Now it's time to draw her scooter. Draw two circles for the wheels. Peppa is ready to roll. Time for George. Start with an oval for his piggy face, just like Peppa's. Draw his eyes, tiny dots inside. Now, give him his blue outfit. And a happy, smiling mouth. George looks just as excited. But George's helmet is super cool. It has a crocodile spikes. Draw little hands with tiny fingers. Now draw his legs and black shoes. And of course, his scooter. Draw 2 circles for the wheels. Do you know pigs are really clever? They're even smarter than dogs. They can learn tricks, remember things, and some pigs even play video games. Let's design George crocodile helmet, draw some teeth. Now draw tiny eyes. Now give it some spikes. Don't forget his curly tail. Coloring time! Asterisk, let's color Peppa and George's faces light pink because they're piggies. Peppa's dress gets a bright red. Her helmet is also red. You can add some shimmer on his dress. George's outfit is blue. And his crocodile helmet is green. His cool helmet is ready. The scooters? Peppa's is pink. George's can be blue or purple. Oh, now I see why they're so happy. Peppa and George are zooming on their scooters, and it looks like they bumped into each other. Silly piggies, but so much fun. Let's add the final touches. A little blush on Peppa's cheeks and pink lips. Two pink dots for a nose. Give George a blush and lips too. Oh, so cute. But wait, Peppa's helmet looks too plain. Let's decorate it with colorful Play-Doh flowers. Press them down gently. Peppa has a beautiful flowery helmet now. And there you go, my little artists. Peppa and George look amazing on their scooters. See you next time with another fun drawing. Till then, take care and keep creating my little Picassos.